Stop asking mom how she is. Instead, open the fridge when she's not looking. Expired milk, spoiled food, nothing but condiments. This isn't just forgetfulness. This is a sign that her executive function is breaking down. Same with mail. Stacks of unopened bills, mysterious charity donations. How about unexplained corner dents on her car bumper? These aren't just oops moments. These are red flags screaming for help. Before you leave town, grab the Stealth Home Audit. 10 things to check when they're not looking. Link in first pinned comment below.